Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you and tell you how you can hide some photos on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, write your comments after watching the video. Let us get started with you. Let's say you want to hide some photos so that they are not publicly available, so that any person who comes to your gallery cannot see them. What will you need to do this? First of all, open your Photos folder on your phone. And then, if you want to hide a particular photo, select it. Next, tap on it and hold it down. And at the bottom, select the item called Hide, and next to it, there will be a crossed eye sign. You click on it, and you confirm the action. As you can see, immediately the photo disappears, and thus you transfer it to the hidden album. Well, if you want to hide several photos at once, either photos or videos, whatever, then you have to click Select at the top. Then you select the photos. Then at the bottom you click on the three dots. And then you also click Hide Yourself. You confirm the action. And you instantly hide your media files. But how do you find them now? Well, you'll have to go to the Albums folder and scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a folder called Hidden. Usually on your phone, on any iPhone, this folder by default is accessible without a password. And now I'm going to show you how to put a password on it so that no one can see your media files. To do this, you'll need to go to your phone settings. Then scroll down to the bottom to find your photos. And then scroll down a little bit as well, and find the section called Use Password or Use Face ID, depending on what you have on your phone lock. That is, what you unlock your phone with. With the same method, you will unlock this hidden folder. So you'll need to activate Hide Password, you'll need to set a password, you'll need to set a password, or you'll need to set Face ID. After that, you go back to your gallery, and here, opposite Hidden Folders, there will be a lock sign like this, which means that your folder is under password. To see the hidden photos, you click on that folder. You click to enter your password, or to scan your Face ID, and then you go straight to the hidden media files. And let's say if you want to revert some files back to the gallery, then you also tap on the photo and select Unhide. And you can do the same thing with some files. You click Select, you select them, then three dots at the bottom and then Show. And that's how you get your media files back to your regular Metafile folder on your phone. This is how you can hide your photos on your iPhone, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.